Hi guys, today we will learn about second part of SDLC, which are activities undertaken during integration and system testing. Integration of different modules is undertaken once they have been coded and unit tested. During the integration and system testing phase, the modules are integrated in a planned manner. The different modules making up a software product are almost never integrated in one shot. Integration is normally carried out incrementally over a number of steps. During each integration step, the partially integrated system is tested and a set of previously planned modules are added to it. Finally, when all the modules have been successfully integrated and tested, system testing is carried out. Next, activities undertaken during integration and system testing. System testing usually consists of three different kinds of testing activities: alpha, beta, acceptance testing. Alpha testing. It is a system testing performed by development team. Beta testing. It is a system testing performed by a friendly set of customers. Expectant testing. It is a system testing performed by the client himself after the product delivery to determine whether to accept or reject the delivered project. Activities undertaken during maintenance. Maintenance of a typical software product requires much more than the effort necessary to develop the product itself. Many studies carried out in the past confirm this and indicates that the relative effort of development of a typical software product to its maintenance effort is roughly in the 14:60. 40:60. Activities undertaken during maintenance. Maintenance involves performing following kinds of activities: correcting errors that were not discovered during the product development phase. This is called corrective maintenance. Improving the implementation of system and enhancing the functionalities of system according to customer requirement. This is called perfective maintenance. Porting the software to work in a new environment. For example, porting may be required to get the software to work on a new computer platform or with a new operating system. This is called adaptive maintenance. Next, shortcomings of the waterfall model. The waterfall model is an idealistic, and since it assumes that no development error is ever committed by engineers during any of the life cycle phases. However, in practical development environments, the engineers do commit a large number of errors in almost every phase of the life cycle. The source of the defects can be many: oversight, wrong assumptions, use of inappropriate technology, communication gap among the project engineers, etc. Once a defect is detected, the engineers need to go back to the phase where the defect had occurred and redo some of the work. Summary.